Hello, Assalamu alaikum guys. Today's our second lecture is about kinds of letters according to sounds. According to sounds, there are two types of letters, vowel and consonant. Now we will discuss what are vowels. The word vowel comes from the Latin word vocalis meaning vocal, which is related to the voice. Now, a vowel is a sound which is pronounced by passing the air from lungs to outside without being blocked by tongue or lips. वाउल ऐसी आवाज़ होती है जिसकी अदायगी हवा को फेफड़ों से बाहर निकालते हुए ज़ुबान या होंठों से टच हुए बगैर अदा हो जाती है. द वाउल्स हैव their own sounds. The vowel can be sounded by itself. Every syllables need a vowel. The letter A, E, I, O, U are vowels. However, sometimes some consonants like Y and W can also make vowel sounds. In grammar, these letters are still considered consonant and don't follow the vowel rules. Now we will discuss is Y a vowel. When discussing consonants versus vowels, the letter Y causes a lot of confusion. Basically, Y can be either a vowel or a consonant depending on how it is used. As a consonant, it makes its own distinct sound using the rear of the tongue on the top of the mouth. For example, yellow and yogurt. As a vowel, it copies either long or short vowel. Now, long vowel sounds for E, long and short vowel sounds for I. When as a long vowel sound of I, Y is used like my and shy. There the sound of Y is long I. System and crypt. In system, the sound of Y is short sound of I and crypt as a short sound of I. Now as a long vowel sound of E. In the word lady, the sound of Y as a long E is lady and long vowel sound of Y in the word hairy. W is also used as diphthong as in cow. In the word cow, the sound of diphthong is OW. In the word, the long sound of O and W is known as a vowel sound.
Now we will discuss kinds of vowels according to sounds. So there are two kinds of vowels according to sounds, long vowel sound and short vowel sound. First of all, we discuss long vowel sounds. A and O are called long vowel sounds because we have to prolong them while uttering. A और O को लॉन्ग वाउल साउंड्स कहा जाता है क्योंकि इन हरूफ को पढ़ते वक्त थोड़ा लंबा किया जाता है. Keeping the above rules in mind, pronounce the following words. Long vowel sound of A: rat, cat, sack, mat, hat. Mat, bat, tag, thank, fang. Thank, bank, bag, fault, fault. Now we will discuss long vowel sound of O: wrote, note, lot, port, hot, sock, tot, block, pot, nose, pause, north, sort, dot. Now we will discuss short vowel sounds. So I, E and U are called short vowel sounds because their sound is shortened while uttering. E, I और U को short vowels कहा जाता है क्योंकि इन हरूफ को पढ़ते वक्त इनकी आवाज़ को कम लंबा किया जाता है. Keeping the above rules in mind, pronounce the following words. Short vowel sound of E: set, jet, bet, let, get, and test. Short vowel sound of I: sit, pit, bit, lick, hit, and writ. Short vowel sounds of U: cut, mud, but, hut, shut, and dust. For more lectures of grammar, please like, follow, share on TikTok, and subscribe, like, and share on YouTube channel. We'll meet you in our next lecture, so please like, follow, and share us. Thank you.